This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Monica Karch. Coastal home move-in ready waterfront with Gulf of Mexico access. New roof installed. Great for insurance. Recently home was appraised for $725,000. Buyer should receive instant equity as property is being offered at an undermarket value. Plenty of room for personalized customizations and improvements. There is an option for an assumable loan of $250,000 with a 2.99% interest rate. Buyer would need to obtain other cash or financing options for balance. Are you ready for stunning sunset views? Bring your boat. Remote boat lift and separate large dock space is available now. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac, this 2,010 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with bonus den office and a Florida room gives you ample room to spread out and enjoy the waterfront lifestyle. Special features in new wood-look ceramic tile throughout the main living areas with tile in the wet areas, the large kitchen with solid oak cabinets, solid surface counters, stainless steel appliances including a double convection oven with a stylish hood vent over the range, under-counter LED lighting and skylights that fill the home with light. The kitchen is open to the living room/dining room combo and leads the two-office den. The spacious waterfront Florida room is perfect for relaxing in style and with its double French doors with blinds, provides a private extra guest room when lots of friends or family are visiting. The master bedroom with ensuite bath features a heated jetted tub and walk-in shower and 2 master bedroom closets. The split floor plan with 2 guest rooms and interior laundry room featuring built-in cabinetry complete the interior living space. Updates include whole house replumbing, insulated pipes, blown-in insulation in the attic, and an electric air cleaner. Out back, the screen-enclosed patio leads you to the waterfront and the 8,000 pounds remote boat lift, fixed dock, floating dock and seawall. You are just a short cruise to North Channel and the open Gulf of Mexico and its crystal clear waters and sand beaches. The 2-car garage features a loft-style workshop which can be removed at the buyer's discretion. The exclusive Gulf Landings Community Clubhouse complete with tennis courts, pool and SBA, private boat ramp and membership to the private Gulf Harbors Private Beach Club, all for a very low fee. Upgrades galore. Take the first step to making this waterfront dream home your own and view the virtual tour and schedule